Want to climb to the top of search engine rankings and boost traffic to your WordPress site? The right SEO tools can make all the difference. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, we're diving into the best SEO tools for WordPress users to help you boost your search rankings, get more traffic, and ultimately grow your business. Whether you're a beginner or an SEO pro, these tools are designed to make optimizing your site easier and more effective. Before we get into these tools, let's quickly talk about why SEO is so important. Search engine optimization is all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. The higher your site ranks, the more traffic it gets, which leads to more customers and conversions. For online businesses, especially e-commerce sites, SEO is critical for growth. If your website isn't optimized, you're missing out on tons of potential traffic. And with the right SEO tools, you can analyze, optimize, and track your site's performance, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Yoast SEO is one of the most popular and user-friendly SEO tools available for WordPress. It helps you optimize your content for both search engines and readability. Yoast analyzes your posts and pages, giving suggestions to improve keyword usage, meta descriptions, and even readability. One standout feature is its Content Insights tool, which checks if your keywords is appearing often enough to rank well. The premium version includes additional features like internal linking suggestions and redirect management. Yoast is ideal for beginners who want to improve their on-page SEO with an easy-to-use interface. RankMath has gained a lot of traction due to its comprehensive feature set and ease of use. It provides real-time SEO suggestions as you write, supports schema markup, and integrates seamlessly with Google Search Console. RankMath also offers an SEO analysis tool that gives you a score based on your site's overall SEO health, allowing you to fix issues before they become problems. It's perfect for those who want an all-in-one SEO solution without managing multiple plugins. All-in-One SEO is a powerful SEO tool that simplifies on-page SEO for WordPress users. It helps with everything from keyword optimization to XML sitemaps. All-in-One SEO stands out with its local SEO features, making it a great option for businesses with a physical location. And it offers WooCommerce integration, making it a strong contender for e-commerce stores. You can start with the free version, where for advanced features like video SEO and Google News sitemaps, the premium plans start at $49.60 a year. SEOPress is a lightweight yet powerful tool that offers all the essential SEO features like meta titles, descriptions, and open graph support for social media sharing. It also includes built-in support for Google Analytics and even features integration with WooCommerce for e-commerce stores. SEOPress offers a free version, and the pro version starts at $49 a year, which gives you access to advanced features like breadcrumbs, Google News sitemaps, and more. It's great for users who want a robust tool without the bulk. SEMrush is a go-to tool for SEO professionals. It's not just for WordPress, but works well in conjunction with your site. SEMrush offers keyword research, competitor analysis, and content optimization, making it an all-round SEO powerhouse. Their Writing Assistant plugin integrates directly with WordPress, providing real-time content optimization suggestions. It's perfect for businesses looking for a comprehensive marketing and SEO toolkit. Ahrefs is another industry favorite for SEO and content marketing. While it's primarily known for its backlink analysis, Ahrefs also offers keyword research, rank tracking, and site audits. You can integrate Ahrefs into WordPress using its API to pull valuable SEO data directly into your dashboard. Ahrefs starts at $99 a month and is best suited for businesses and professionals who need deep insights into competitor performance and backlink strategies. Squirrly is designed for users who want to take a more AI-driven approach to SEO. It features two modes, beginner and expert, making it accessible to all skill levels. Squirrly offers a free version with limited features, and its premium plan starts at $9.99 a month, making it an affordable option for those looking for SEO guidance and automation. SC Ranking is an all-in-one SEO platform that offers keyword tracking, site audits, and competitor research. It's user-friendly and integrates well with WordPress, helping you keep track of your rankings and SEO efforts directly from your dashboard, making it a great tool for small businesses and freelancers looking to improve their SEO without breaking the bank. Although designed for Google Ads, Google Keyword Planner is a valuable free tool for WordPress users looking to find new keyword opportunities. You can enter any keyword related to your business, and Google will provide search volume, competition, and suggested bids, information that can be invaluable for SEO purposes. Best of all, it's free. Just sign up for a Google Ads account and you can access Keyword Planner without having to run any paid campaigns. Broken Link Checker is an essential tool for maintaining the health of your WordPress site. It scans your site for broken internal and external links and makes it easy to fix them from your dashboard. Broken links can negatively impact both user experience and SEO, so this tool is a must-have for keeping your site optimized. Broken Link Checker is completely free and does the job well, saving you time and helping you avoid SEO penalties from search engines. Remember, even the best SEO tools can't make up for a slow or unreliable website. With Rapyd Cloud, your WordPress site will be faster and more reliable, giving you a solid foundation to implement all your SEO strategies with confidence. Click the link in the description to learn more about how Rapyd can elevate your WordPress experience. That's it for today's rundown of the 10 best SEO tools for WordPress users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.